This is the Loan Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to send money using PayPal. First, log into your PayPal account, either on their website or through the convenient mobile app. Once logged in, locate the Send and Request tab or button, which is usually prominent. Next, you will need to enter the recipient's email address or mobile number. Finally, specify the exact amount you wish to send, ensuring you select the correct currency. When sending money to friends or family, select the Sending to a Friend option. This method is generally free for domestic transfers when funded by your PayPal balance or linked bank account. However, be aware that international transfers or payments made using a credit card might incur a small fee, typically around 2.9% plus a fixed amount. The great news is that these funds are usually available to your recipient almost instantly. For purchases, always choose Paying for an item or service. This crucial option provides you with PayPal's purchase protection, covering eligible items if they don't arrive or aren't as described. While the seller typically pays a fee, often around 2.9% plus a fixed amount, it offers valuable security for you as the buyer. Always use this option when buying from unfamiliar sellers to ensure your purchase is protected. Before finalizing, always take a moment to carefully review all the transaction details. Double-check the recipient's information, the exact amount, and the chosen currency to avoid any errors. Confirm the funding source you wish to use, whether it's your balance, bank, or card. Once everything looks correct, simply click Send Payment Now to securely complete your transaction. It's that easy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.